Get today's popular digital trends articles in your inbox. Why it matters to you thanks to a deepening of the partnership between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing. F1 fans will have a new team to cheer for come 2018. Aston Martin's admiration for Red Bull Racing's motorsport expertise appears to have grown. After collaborating on the sold-out Aston Martin Valkyrie supercar, the two companies will engage in a deeper partnership that will yield several noteworthy results. Perhaps the biggest news is that for the 2018 Formula One season, Red Bull Racing will become Aston Martin Red Bull Racing. Remember that from 20,132,015, the Gives You Wings brand raised as Infinity Red Bull Racing. We're not saying Red Bull Racing gets around, but, well, maybe that is what we are saying. It is also interesting to note the 6 degrees of separation between Aston Martin and Infinity, who share a technical partner in Mercedes-Benz. Does Red Bull's F1 partner timeline have anything to do with the automakers' mutual partnerships? Probably not, but we might keep an eye on both manufacturers for further tie-ins going forward. In addition to the F1 collaboration, Aston Martin announced a new Advanced Performance Center that will open on the Red Bull Racing campus in the town of Milton Keynes, England, later this year. The new Advanced Performance Center, which will create 110 new jobs, will also house Aston Martin's second dedicated design center, as well as engineering personnel who will be working on future sports cars. Speaking of future sports cars, Aston Martin declared that its stronger connection with Red Bull Racing would yield more road-showing products in the vein of the Valkyrie. It remains to be seen how extreme these new vehicles will be and into which segment they'll slot, but we're excited regardless. Last but not least, the luxury car maker will also evaluate a chance to be involved in the team's powertrain for 2021. The Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile recently asked Aston Martin to be involved in discussions on future engines for F1 TM. Title partnership is the next logical step for our innovation partnership with Red Bull Racing, said Aston Martin President and CEO Andy Palmer. We are enjoying the global brand awareness that the revitalized Formula One provides. Palmer also noted that the conditions must be right for Aston Martin to get into the F1 engine-building business. We are not about to enter an engine war with no restrictions in cost or dynamometer hours, but we believe that, if the FIA can create the right environment, we would be interested in getting involved, he said. F1 fans better get ready to see a big all Aston Martin badge ripping around the world's most famous racetracks.